Hey everybody, Neri here, and I just want to say a few things about my poem, The Rising Tide, and how it came about. So I have an unusual way of writing poetry, which is somebody asked me to write a poem for an anthology, and I don't really write poetry on my own because I write long form novels, graphic novels, things like that. Um, But usually what happens, somebody asks me if I want to write a poem about a certain subject, and I think about it and think, well, I don't have time. I don't know what to write about. And while I'm writing the email, turning them down, an idea usually pops into my head, and it just kind of comes out of me instantly. In this case, it was about the rising tide from a young man's perspective named Levi, who lives in Florida, which is where I live. And I love the ocean. It's my favorite place to be. And I can feel it, that tide rising. And just the metaphor, the rising tide and young people rising up to protest against inaction against climate change seemed kind of a natural match. And suddenly I found the voice and kind of the attitude, and it literally just popped out very quickly. And then I just kind of sit with it a little bit, tweak it a little bit here and there, but usually that's it. So my way of writing poems is just like an instant burst of energy, an idea, and inspiration. I don't know where it comes from. I don't know how I write these poems. They just come and I let them happen. And that is my process of writing.